Humans have always looked to the stars. We have always strived to overcome our limitations. Technology has always been our primary tool in this quest. Now, we stand at a remarkable threshold. We are on the verge of using technology to reshape ourselves. Some say we are on the path to becoming like gods. This idea is bold and transformative. It challenges our very understanding of what it means to be human. Transhumanism is a philosophical and intellectual movement. It advocates for the use of science and technology. The goal is to transcend the inherent limitations of the human condition. These limitations include disease, aging, and even death itself. Transhumanists envision a future where humans are significantly enhanced. Our physical bodies could be stronger and more resilient. Our minds could be vastly more intelligent and creative. This is not merely about small improvements. It is about a fundamental leap in human capability. Imagine a world without the suffering caused by illness. Picture a future where the process of aging is controlled or even reversed. Envision human beings possessing intelligence far exceeding today's geniuses. This is the profound promise that transhumanism holds out. It suggests that we are not bound by the constraints of our biology. We can use our ingenuity to overcome these natural barriers. The tools to achieve these goals are rapidly developing. We are entering an era of unprecedented change. This journey towards an enhanced future is more than just self-improvement. It signifies a radical transformation of our species. It is about consciously guiding our own evolution. The human body is, in many ways, a masterpiece of natural engineering. It has evolved over millions of years. It is capable of incredible feats of adaptation and survival. Yet, for all its wonders, our biological form is also profoundly fragile. It is susceptible to a vast array of ailments and injuries. Our physical structures can break down. Our internal systems can fail. We are constantly battling against entropy and decay. Aging is perhaps the most universal and significant limitation of our biology. From the moment we are born, our cells begin a slow process of degradation. Our physical strength wanes over time. Our cognitive functions may slow. Our senses become less acute. This gradual decline seems an inevitable part of life as we know it. While modern medicine has extended average lifespans, it has not conquered aging itself. The dream of eternal youth, or at least significantly extended health spans, remains a powerful motivator for transhumanist thought. Diseases, in their myriad forms, represent another major challenge to our biological well-being. From common infections like the flu to devastating conditions like cancer or Alzheimer's, illness plagues humanity. These conditions cause immense suffering. They lead to premature death and diminish the quality of life for billions. Our immune systems are remarkable defense mechanisms. However, they are often overwhelmed or tricked by pathogens and cellular malfunctions. Transhumanism hopes to provide even more powerful tools that could eradicate diseases entirely or make us impervious to them. Biological evolution, as driven by Darwinian mechanisms, is an incredibly slow process. It operates over vast timescales, typically spanning thousands or even millions of years. Changes occur through random genetic mutations. These mutations are then filtered by the pressures of natural selection. It is a reactive system, adapting populations gradually to their environments. While this process has produced the incredible diversity of life on Earth, its pace is a significant constraint in the modern era. We are living in a world that changes much faster than evolution can typically respond. Technological progress, particularly in information technologies, is following an exponential curve. Moore's law described the doubling of computing power. Similar trends are seen in genetics, nanotechnology, and robotics. Our societies are becoming increasingly complex. Global interconnectedness brings new challenges and opportunities. Our biological evolution simply cannot keep pace with this cultural and technological dynamism. We are, in a sense, running modern software on ancient hardware. This creates a mismatch. We face unprecedented global challenges in the 21st century. Climate change threatens our ecosystems and way of life. Resource scarcity looms as the global population grows. Transhumanism offers a compelling alternative path. The journey towards significant human enhancement is not just a future dream, it has already begun. We are already using technology to augment and repair human capabilities in remarkable ways. Medical science has made enormous strides in treating diseases and injuries. Many current technologies serve as precursors to more advanced transhumanist applications. Prosthetics, for example, are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They are moving beyond simple replacements to become functional extensions of the body. Consider the latest generation of bionic arms and legs. These devices are truly transformative for individuals. Advanced bionic limbs can now restore a significant degree of movement and dexterity to amputees. Some of these prosthetic devices can be controlled by the user's own nerve signals. This allows for more intuitive and natural operation. Researchers are even developing bionics that can provide sensory feedback, such as a sense of touch or pressure. This closes the loop between the user and the artificial limb, making it feel more like a part of their own body. This is a clear and powerful example of the merging of human biology with machine technology. It points towards a future of seamless integration. The foundation is being laid today. Section 5. Connecting brains to machines. The BCI revolution. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, stand as a cornerstone technology for the transhumanist vision. These systems are designed to create direct communication pathways between the human brain and external devices. This connection bypasses the normal routes of nerves and muscles. BCIs work by detecting brain signals, interpreting them, and translating them into commands. These commands can then control computers, prosthetic limbs, or other machines. The potential applications are vast. They range from restoring lost function to radically enhancing cognitive abilities. Imagine being able to control a sophisticated robotic arm simply by thinking about the desired movement. Picture composing an email or searching the internet using only your thoughts. Early BCI systems are already making such feats possible, albeit in limited ways. These systems have allowed individuals with severe paralysis, such as those with locked-in syndrome, to communicate and interact with the world. Current research in BCIs is focused on improving their accuracy, speed, and bandwidth. Scientists and engineers are working to develop interfaces that can interpret more complex brain signals. This would allow for a richer and more nuanced interaction with technology. Section 6. Beyond biology, the quest for digital consciousness. One of the most profound and speculative ideas within transhumanism is the concept of digital consciousness. This is often referred to as mind uploading or whole brain emulation. It posits that consciousness, the subjective experience of being, could potentially exist outside the biological brain. If the brain is fundamentally an information processing system, then its functions might be replicable on a different substrate. This substrate could be a powerful computer. The idea is that if we could perfectly scan and map the structure and activity of a particular brain, we could then simulate that mind digitally. The human brain is an incredibly complex organ. It contains approximately 86 billion neurons, each with thousands of connections or synapses. Replicating this complexity is a monumental task. However, our understanding of neuroscience is growing rapidly. Section 7. The power of augmenting intelligence with AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most rapidly advancing technologies of our time. AI systems are demonstrating capabilities that match or even surpass human performance in an increasing number of domains. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast data sets to find patterns that humans would miss. AI can power sophisticated language translation, image recognition, and complex decision-making processes. From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis, AI is transforming industries. The trajectory of AI development suggests that its capabilities will continue to grow exponentially in the coming years. This presents both opportunities and challenges. Transhumanism generally views AI not as an existential threat or a replacement for human intelligence, but as a powerful tool for augmentation. The idea is that human intelligence can be significantly amplified by working in close collaboration with AI. This synergy could lead to a form of superintelligence that combines the strengths of both biological and artificial cognition. Section 8. The moral compass. Ethical dilemmas of enhancement. While the potential benefits of transhumanist technologies are immense, they also raise profound and complex ethical questions. These questions must be carefully considered as we move forward. One of the most pressing concerns is the issue of access and equality. Who will have access to these powerful enhancing technologies? Will they be available to everyone, or only to a privileged few? If these technologies are expensive, they could exacerbate existing social and economic inequalities. This could lead to the creation of a new societal divide. a divide between the enhanced and the unenhanced. The prospect of an enhancement divide or a genetic divide is a serious concern. If only the wealthy can afford to enhance their cognitive abilities, extend their lifespans, or improve their physical capacities, society could split into two distinct classes. This could lead to unprecedented levels of inequality and social unrest. The enhanced might gain significant advantages in all areas of life, from employment to political power. This raises fundamental questions about fairness, justice, and the kind of society we want to create. Ensuring equitable access to beneficial enhancements will be a major challenge for policymakers and society as a whole. Another set of ethical questions revolves around the very definition of humanity. Section 9. Humanity Reimagined, the dawn of version 2.0. Despite the formidable ethical and technical challenges, the vision of a transhuman future, or Human 2.0, remains deeply compelling for many. Imagine a future where the scourge of disease has been largely eradicated. Picture human beings free from the debilitating effects of aging, enjoying extended periods of health and vitality. Consider lifespans dramatically lengthened, perhaps even approaching a form of biological or digital immortality. This is not merely about adding more years to life, but more life to years. It is about enhancing the quality and potential of human existence on a fundamental level. Human 2.0 could possess forms of superintelligence far beyond our current comprehension. Our cognitive abilities, memory, learning speed, analytical skills, creativity, could be vastly amplified through a combination of genetic enhancements, neural interfaces, and AI integration. We could develop a much deeper understanding of the universe, from the smallest subatomic particles to the largest cosmic structures. We could potentially solve mysteries that have eluded humanity for millennia. This enhanced intellect could unlock new paradigms of science, art, and philosophy, leading to an unprecedented flourishing of human potential and understanding. With radically enhanced bodies and minds, humanity could finally become a true spacefaring species. The current biological limitations that make interstellar travel so daunting, such as fragility, limited lifespan, and susceptibility to radiation, could be overcome. Enhanced humans might be better adapted to survive in harsh alien environments or during long voyages through the cosmos.